Got my Sierra Mist now. That dude handled that situation all wrong. I was trying to show him the right way to handle that situation, and he just rushed in there, and that's what he gets. There's 3 hunters right there. So that's what that fool gets. Yes. So, okay. You need help? Or what? Okay. What, right now?
Yep.
Can't do it right now.
I understand.
Why do you need it right now? Go back to school when? Monday? Okay, so we have until Monday. So when you... Okay.
At 10. Well, noon.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm kind of doing something right now. You didn't warn me or nothing. Hold on. Let me see.
This is how she wants us to do it. But most of them we don't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's easy. Yep. Yes.
I don't know if I want
No. Because you gotta divide by -7. So let me see.
But
It's not a addition. It doesn't have an addition sign. You know, it has an equal sign. So that means you have to divide this by 7 and this by 7.
that's what I did. If
No, you subtracted. Oh wait.
I did that right. That's a -42.
Yeah, you did. Okay. So yeah, you got it. Okay, you got
I
it.
just don't know how to do decimal.
Let me see. -1.16. -1.16. Okay. Carry it. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 1, 1. You just go to the 3, make it a 2, make this a 14. 14 minus 6. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. That's a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So,
Oh, I gotta check it. So 1.
wait, it's 1.16, isn't it?
No, x equals 1.18.
Oh, no. Okay, yeah, you're right.
So negative.
Yeah, so if you're timesing by negative, the answer is negative. Yeah. It's easy when you're multiplying. It gets tricky when you're adding and subtracting negatives.
Okay, so number 5.
Let me see.
Oh, let me just put this. Did you do this?
No, I never did that. I don't know what that
Oh,
is.
you didn't do that one?
No. Oh, okay. So you gotta. These are mixed numbers, so you gotta turn them into fractions. Okay.
But,
So, which is easy.
yeah.
You see the middle number. I mean the bottom number.
That one?
Yeah.
That's
So
base.
2. So you multiply these two, and then you
Which
add the.
is 5 over 2.
Yeah, 5 over 2. So it's k minus 5 over 2 equals 4, 5 over 4. So because you multiply and then you add that. And then, so since you gotta make these the same, the denominator is the same, so you gotta times this one by 2 to make to make the denominator 4. So you gotta times the top number and the bottom number by 2.
Like,
Yeah. So you just put a multiplication sign right next to the 2 and right next to the 5. No, on the other side.
oh. And then 2.
Oh no, like this. Times 2 over 2 equals 10 over 4 Okay.
Okay, so it would be 10
So
over 4. Right there, right?
yeah, 10 over 4. So it'll be k equals 10 over 4. It'd be k minus 10 over 4 equals 5 over 4.
Oh.
So just change that to k.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh no, you didn't have to erase that.
Well,
You needed that.
I know. 10 over 4, so...
Equals, no, k minus 10 over 4. K minus. Okay?
Why k minus?
Yeah, because see the k's right here?
Mm-hmm.
So the equal sign is on the other side of this number. So you want to leave that, then put the equal sign back, and then just drop this one down. 5 over 4. So then, this is a hard one actually. Then you want to plus the 10 over 4 on both sides. That's going to cancel this 10 over 4 out, leave just k.
So do this plus 10 over...
No. It's kind of long. I should make a little arrow like this. Then you're going to put k, you're going to rewrite it. 10 over 4 equals 5 over 4. Then you're going to plus. Okay?
How do you add
It's easy because the denominators are the same. So all you got to worry about is the top number. Okay?
Which is 11 over... Or 20
No,
over.
20 over 4. Yep. K equals 20 over 4.
So
These cancel out.
So
Then you divide that, which is 5. Yeah, that was a tricky one, actually. That one had kind of a lot of steps.
So do I do what, like, it's kind of like
You just
that?
minus 3.8 on both sides of the equal sign.
Like that?
Yeah, that way you're going to get rid of the 3.8 on one side, and you're just going to have the letter, which is what you want. So this is going to become H.
Yep.
And then you're going to put an equal sign, then that is going to be 9 minus 8 is 1. Let's put the decimal point. 2 minus 3 can't do it, so you got to carry the 1, so cross the 1 out, put a 0. Put the 1, yeah. So then that's 8. Or 9.
Yeah.
9.1. That's the answer.
Alright, I got this one now. This one, I got confused.
Okay. So it doesn't matter where it doesn't matter what it doesn't matter. It is backwards. So you're just gonna treat this and this. You're gonna take care of these. So this is gonna become plus 7 because you want to get rid of this. So this is just gonna leave b on this side. You're gonna plus 7 on this side because you did it on one side. You gotta do it on the other. Always. 23 plus 7. Negative 23 plus 7. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Done.
That's, if I'm correct, I did those. She said we didn't. Whoa, that's gonna be easy.
Yeah, because you just put 6 minus x equals 22.
Alright, I want to do these and then
Yeah.
there's the back. Okay.
Well, if you write the formula, then you can just do them just like these. You know, you just gotta pay attention to the words.
Oh wait, you write it algebra for 3 math.
Yeah, this is an algebraic expression,
I got it.
so you just solve it just like you did these.
Oh,
But you gotta do it for all of them.
30 tenths. 3 tenths. Is that 30?
No, just see you have the 6, right? So it's positive 6, right? So you want to minus the 6.
No, I'm talking about this one. I'm trying to
Oh wait, 3 tenths. Yes, 3 over 10. Put an m right next to it because it's multiplying the m. See, that's a multiplication. You know that, right? Okay. No, is 3 and 6 tenths. Is equal. Yeah, that's equal. Is 3 and then 6 over 10. So you got another mixed number. That one's gonna be hard, actually.
Okay. Question of why. Y and 4 is negative 10.
The quotient of y and 4. Oh, the quotient is division. So it's gonna be y over 4 equals negative 10. Yep, that's that one. Brianna is thinking of two numbers. Their sum is, wait, oh, what's that? 7 less than h. Yeah, my 7 minus h equals negative 9. That one's easy. I don't know why they put that in the last part of it. Brianna is thinking of two numbers. Their sum is negative 7. The quotient equation and solve to find the other number. Okay, two numbers. So you got two unidentified. So those are going to be letters.
Okay.
So you're going to have x plus y equals negative 7.
But one of the numbers
Their
is
sum
11.
is negative 7. No, it
Well,
doesn't
that's
say.
easy.
Oh, one of the numbers is 11. Okay, so x plus 11 is negative 7.
It's kind of obvious which one it is.
Yep.
Look,
Yeah, that's easy.
5 plus 7 is 12, right? 4 plus 7 is 11.
We got a minus 11 on both sides, so it's going to be negative 18. X is negative 18.
Oh, I want to do this one first because it's the last one. So, okay, so I put...
You put minus 11 on both sides. That is actually addition because it's two negatives, so it's going to be negative 18. Negative 7 minus 11, negative 11. Yeah, so it's going to be, you're going to add them. It's going to be 18.
Negative?
Yeah.
So x equals negative 18.
Yep.
And that's it?
That's it. You just got to solve the other ones. Now I'm lost. If it's two negatives, yeah. No. Negative 18, because you're adding...
I'm
Oh.
already done with that.
Minus 6, yeah. So, no. So you're going to have negative x on this side still. Okay? That's going to be on this side. So write negative x.
Oh, x.
No, negative x. Because you're dealing with this. You're not dealing with the negative x. This is actually negative x. Just pretend that the 6 is going away. You still have the negative left. So you want a minus 6 on this side and minus 6 on this side. So write minus 6 on both sides. Underneath. No, you don't have to erase nothing. Right underneath the x. No, right underneath that x. Minus 6. Minus 6. Okay? That's going to cancel these 6's. You still got negative x left. 22 minus 6 is...
Whoa. So 22, right? 21, 20, 19, 18, 16, 17.
15. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16.
Equals
Okay?
negative 16,
So,
right?
no. Hold on. You got negative x equals 16, so what do you have to do? You have to multiply both sides by negative 1 to get rid of the negative sign.
So do I do this?
Just put a parentheses? No. It's this.
You don't need to put a parenthesis.
No, but this kind. You want to put the negative 1 inside, right next to it, like that. That means multiplication. Then you put a little arrow. This is going to become x because the negatives cancel. So that's just going to leave x equals negative 16.
Okay. And if I'm correct with fractions, fractions always division. So I got multiply. See, like.
Yeah, you gotta... Yeah, so the y, you gotta isolate the y. So that means that... No, you had that right.
No, I'm just making room.
Okay, so you gotta you gotta multiply that by -4. Multiply this side by -4 too.
So, like...
So just write a parentheses, like I did before, and put -4 inside of it. There you go, on both sides.
So that's going to cross out the negative?
Yep, this is going to cross the 4's out, so cross them out. It's going to leave y on one side, and then
Draw
positive 40. Yeah, draw an arrow. So you're going to have y equals
40.
positive 40. Because you got two negatives times each other equal positive.
Yeah, okay, so this one. Alright.
It's the same, we've done this type before.
Like, it's like that?
It's the same as that, yeah.
So you put -7, both sides, right?
Yep, cross them out.
Oh, we haven't got to that yet. Okay, so we got -x.
-h.
-h equals -2.
No, you gotta add them because they're two negatives. 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. -11.
Oh, -11.
Multiply both sides by -1. Get rid of that ugly negative.
So be h equals -11, right? Or no?
Positive. Because you canceled them with the 2.
Positive 11.
Yep.
Right, this one.
I'm glad you understand that stuff, Sean, because I don't have foggy.
It's like riding a bike.
Never learned to ride this. When I was going to school, the 10th grade year, you had a choice of taking algebra or what you call basic business math.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not all of it. No.
In 11th grade, those of us that took basic business math took bookkeeping. The guys that took algebra went to
Isn't basic business math just general math? Oh, yeah.
all that kind of stuff. So it was the basics for 11th grade year. Checkbook and everything else. And each class, he went step by step. Accounts payable, the whole 9 yards.
Oh, no, yeah, I know.
And at the end of the year, they knew how much money you had. And if you didn't have it, that's where your grade came from.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I never did that. I don't know that at all.
It was all, we used a calculator, desk calculator,
Yeah,
but everything else was on paper and in your head.
right? Yeah, no, I couldn't do that. I'm good.
Everything that they do in a computer now, we did either on a desktop calculator or with a spreadsheet.
Well, thank the Lord for computers.
I mean, we had bigger payroll, everything.
Okay, what?
Number 18.
Number 18, yeah. Okay, this one's tough. Alright, so what's going on here between these two?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So what's the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Okay. Alright, so now, what's going on here is we have to get rid of this. Yeah, because we want m by itself.
Right.
So 3/10 times m. This is what's happening here. Even though you don't see the parentheses, that's what's happening.
Yeah.
So you're gonna want to divide by m. But first we gotta change this. Actually, don't worry about that. So
It'll be 36.
36 over 10. Yep. So this will be. Let's just go here. 3/10 m equals 36 over 10. So now you got tens on both sides, so that's good. That's really good. So basically, you're gonna have to divide by this fraction by another fraction.
How are we gonna do that?
So, actually, you know what? No, we're gonna multiply these together. It's multiplication, isn't it? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put
Whoa.
this over 1. We're gonna go across.
Okay.
We're gonna put 3m on top,
And
10 equals 36 over 10. Alright, so what do we have in common on both sides? They're both being divided by 10, so we multiply both sides by 10 to get rid of the 10s. Come back. That's going to leave 3m on this side only.
Okay.
Equals 36. Those go away, those go away. So you just got this, okay?
That's confusing.
Then you're going to divide both sides by 3 because you want m alone. This is going to go away. Becomes m equals, what's 9 times 3? 36. Okay, I gotta use the restroom.
I thought 4 times 9 equals 36.
It's fine. I was about to say.
I can kind of understand it, but not all of it. Alright, time to do front page. Why, Chance? I don't think Chance understands this. Exactly. I can help him. I've been helping him. He's getting it.